officer to give away the level 7 trophy for the winning team. The winning team is Kyrshai LP UP School for Kyrshai. A big congratulations for Kyrshai. This is a school that took part this year in this school, Subroto. This is the first time participation for the school, but it's a big win as they take away the prize of the winners, and it will be the school to represent the district in the state level to be held at Subroto. Congratulations, Kyrshai. So the Dapak Mandiri Memorial Secondary School